If you're wondering if the iPad is good for editing videos or not, so in this video, I will answer this question. So the answer is yes, but it depends, and I'll tell you why later in the video. While you have many video editing tools in the App Store, like you have CapCut, Adobe Premiere, and DaVinci Resolve, and by using these apps, you can edit videos from a basic to a professional level. But you will not get the same editing experience as you would on a laptop, as these editing tools are an iPad version of the desktop app. So you will have all the basic editing tools, but some professional tools might be missing in these apps. And also it depends on what iPad you're getting. If you're buying an iPad Air or an iPad Pro with the M series chip, then you can use DaVinci Resolve and Adobe Premiere to edit videos in a professional level. But if you're buying an older iPad with an older chip, then these softwares might not be supported on those iPads, or they might stutter, lag, or crash on those iPads. Now, in simple words, if you're buying a new iPad with an M series chip, then you can edit professional level videos on your iPad. But keep in mind that you will not get the same professional level editing experience as you would on a laptop, as this is an iPad, and the apps might lack a few features. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.